me say party no per se ya akono a e wo so kato wani na wo ye executive be free ho so that ebe ya akono you don't need certain people. I have said so right now no come on taking over communication should have been the Nana Komias, should have been Duchum, Patrick, Kojo Punk, those no Kojo Punk Bekasa. Look at the impact. Powerful. Whether or your propaganda or whatever. But Kojo Kasa, once any time Kojo Kasa. Respect wom. Kojo Ponkruma when Munyam Kojo Ponkruma, Opa Kadiobeka. He did well because it wasn't easy defending Akufo Addo's government. Masa yenye PR. Defending Akufo Addo. It's like drinking poison. I'm telling you. Miss Masa, unu kwini and I say Aduchum betes. You know. That was how into Kojo Ponkruma. It wasn't easy. And nothing they drew baby was saying me pay me once him. Why would no become once him? And to another didn't meet one government the or say me ma unko so hunu na me ma ba be defend. And to me come here ladies and gentlemen, Minister for Roads and Transport Busan question. Because Kojo Ponkruma is a potential president in Ghana. What I say, or was signing munyam no aban na nka ba be say no. But when Kojo Ponkruma, he has that humility,
respect,
no command, control. And to some ya when yan dear kakrano, on plan one sem.
Honorable Mavis cancer board ne papa, Nanan cancer board are Greek and Zemahin. Bombo wako two. Se part ni JFK, General Secretary we Pesika. Na moye mema, mombra if you just series was a mobile organize election ni beam. O kataja FIFA is ameno say. What pra na pump my pie election course over the weekend. It looks like there was no control. Ewa Bantima. Ewa fija series and tokwasa party no asenhye no leadership chairman won't me akoswe into office executives amana ba be brain na party ja dambium for the tume
me for no tun say
can be na say una akasa mo na say Ghana hanya una aka NPP asem ekwachiri mo motonka ana me boa etoro bi kwa na ye woni so jawo masem ka because wo kan na wo mo won ya de mo nyina for 6 years ni ko still a mo ntie o.
Na some catch say party no. Na debi amanka just say party no. 2028 omu wini. Dem me kasa asem na. Me hu de wa person me say me nka de baby.
Omu wini no ko enema bit massa.
Debi tie de na person me ka bi. De na wo NPP ho am nka bi. Catch him na.
I mean say omu opposition, we need a responsible opposition party.
But me nka kire wo say hwiensi. How many times I mean can say NPP right now no. Hwiensi. I told you, say, me ankasa madam for Dr. Bawumia is not showing leadership. Makasa, me say, it's open some kade baby.
But this one is about Bawumia. No,
it is about him because it's about leadership. As I'm not making nonte. If you don't have command, Nana Akufo Addo had command. He had control
of the party.
What do you mean? He had his own way of making sure, say, he wins. Yera Ajekumkufo.
Yes, John.
Control the party. He had a way of making sure, say, this is me, this is my leadership.
Okay.
Under Yera John Ajekumkufo. Look at the cabinet. Nana Akufo Addo, Osafo Mafo, Dambotre, Sa squad, you know, and yet he was able to manage them. And Kwafo Maho. Ask say, how was he able to manage Yabaka said the stubborn academy in the cabinet? The stubborn academy, which was Nana Akufo Addo or Safomafo, Dambotre Muni crew, Bino, Unimuhamu cabinet. And yet he was able to manage because of leadership. Nana Akufo Addo take charge, you know. Or my young who said, party ni nidia.
Okay.
Party no, nidia. Until whoever is not in support of Nana Akufo Addo, no, or Boa Tonchain. That was how Nana engineer drew anticipating team no was all this sabi need the question yare na baby because they do no are useless.
He was not in charge.
How many times I can just say Nana Akufo Addo made JFK useless? Menkano ha.
So okasa
and I say same we manka.
So okasa wontie.
Say JFK Nana Akufo Addo man yetia no baako. O say asekoye we beg you to reshuffle. Yetia no baako pe no. JFK anye JFK biem. What dey share time JFK anye JFK biem. How many times man can say me near JFK say party no wayemre me can check even before elections me can once and
omo di watem
e ko ba ya party ni lose ya kikreki mama me kasa asem no
afa obi e kan no kre
and na say man can cho say Yera, Madam for Afenyo Markin. Party no, or shall say ye, and one party no. Man can't just say I'm not done premu any sound squad no more. They say woman the lead party no and yakono and tiempe Patrick Boa memuni Kojo Kyeremanteng kumamune you can say a do chumune collins ado woman making the face men can't say no
Bachawaka.
man can say Dr. Bawumia should show leadership because the party ne aircono or no so eka ho man can say President you can say Dr. Bawumia what they you can say enkophobia womu eka bi ma wo no they are making the party unattractive hwe nkofo mu communicate ma what you say minia koka very intelligent guy you but all of a sudden look at what he's doing
koka mu de hin
nka ayi
the upper original
me kam ya minia ayi the actor ayi
okay
koka akra koka asem na making enye odene ho kwaku
apia mo de simi akos wonu mu de nsem okoye
what you say enkophobia abronya mu no madu atem if you assassinate no be that was what was happening 2025 yankan wan say de omamedi
na yeto aso
omandi matem and me can say ekoni say ya na part no e be say there's no leadership ube kai say metro ye ka say the way nyoma si ekono say Dr. Bawumia sa prime minister to obani wie na onya less than 70% only grape
okay.
Did I not say it?
You were very categorical about that. Say, say the chunk of the NPP people are omu side.
Omu muno.
And they say watch it too.
Me say Dr. Bawumia omu muno. Abonte majority of the people in NPP, yet typical NPP, no, they don't respect Dr. Bawumia, and that is the truth.
Maybe they don't.
Me say they don't respect Dr. Bawumia. Me say I am. You see, and I make a sentence and you may be a me jino. Because I'm telling you, say, majority of the NPP supporters, no. Omo metra Dr. Bawumia ho esiano. Only few people who so more genuine hearts for Dr. Bawumia. Don't na penance. How many times I mean kasa asem no?
Na nkasa bodu aka say omo pese Dr. Bawumia sa lose.
Na same we afina me nana piao. Me nana eduru baby no ntimase.
Eh sir.
Ai onu na asem
time
eduru maybe no mo ntimase but na make say me NPP ho omu ye o madwen se o mese mi di no me ne osoro enyantam efa NPP ho and then when I make a on this show
wow
and paiba mi bogu NPP party no so no se nyame ampata me de make be a baby and that is why they be me prove true when they say because at the time they wanted to bring me down. And I knelt down and fasted and prayed. Certain prayer, me person me bo. Na some paibo no na ye adwuma wo MPP mu no. Me say, and paibo bi am bo na no person hwe eduru maybe David. Na down for Ahithophel. Ahithophel. Eye na adwen say me na me ne wa down for. Afi de Ahithophel akwa kogina baabi plan against David. Say the be ya ye be to David. David bompaye bi. Okoye or ye fasted or the ashes gugu ni trim and no bomb pie no say ma Ahithophel edina tronyam kwasiasem. Let the counsel of Ahithophel be turned into foolishness.
But Kojo, was it not expected? Said they were only protecting their party. I don't know who say we are anti-party because both party that you person party go position. Because some of these people who say normal in the political dispensation, they all can have party no. But also so much opposition.
Person I pick you is
okay, what?
Person me pick is me ba.
No, the other make a check what you say. I mean, it looks like the other Jan to work in me. It was expected.
Yes.
NPP for reaction. Satamana Jan to a fire party. It was expected. Say, were you expecting NPP faithfuls at the time to hail you Jan to? No, because when you say a party or more oh, think Crofoni, especially in their stronghold, Ashanti region, and your more co-opposition. But do you think the NPP faithfuls will be happy? They will not. So their reaction and how they were behaving towards Nana Jantua was expected. My only problem with the NPP for say now I'm vindicated Jantua.
So where they play for
because all the things he said
on your right,
when they were in power, no, and no more trancho mu kabi. When they were party ni mu the Jantua kai, Satamana mu wotu mi no, and the kai from head to toe. Dr. Bawumia, flag bearer of the party, on Kwanyin tomb. I saw me a name of one queer on Pacho. Na bibia ko ya ka Dr. Bawumia because of Pacho and funny morning channel. and I have a part the money nche. Say you have 2 full am company on your way. Janto, how many times the one can 2 full am one kasa time on. Dr. Bawumia, move opposition on Kabi.
Okay, come.
Honorable was a chairman Sabunsu, former majority leader in parliament. Move opposition, we know. So when you research Ashanti region, why the NPP faithful did not really vote, or why they lost the election. And Yama Janto Akai, when you were in power in Yinano, Chairman Sabunsu research about concern. Why are you not attacking Chairman Sabunsu? Honorable Mateboku Prempe. Why no NPP mo wo de busa why no NPP mo asama Janto Akai no NPP ni ene omon ka bi maybe sin cancer board papa na cancer board Arrógance he's powerful mente papa na no kasa da say the work here kasa eno no okay FM no mente na no kasa sa da and you can clearly see and feel that the man is speaking with bitterness and sort of love anger and even there share so party no ma ye ne ya enti Shanima Wayama party in Pennyphone in Waka, say Adubo, I want on the top first car, Emma Dubois in 1992. Or no a young guy, Fen was your Bobra. Nana Akufo Addo was a Maybach, Boka Bedi, what to? Dr. Bawumia, a fear was Dr. Bawumia Kumasi or Tim Ayonom a demand. Nina was a part of Yashi Free Moon. Now, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Now, Mahama de Minima. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Anna, I'm on a Jumaye. In fact, was Mahama second time Gonyano son faso. So began to what I was saying is that the NPP reaction towards you in 2024, it was normal. They were only protecting your party. But on no cre, Yanko Pama on no cre bum. And the Nema Okai when they were in power in Nano. Omunina Sati Omoko Manum 111. Dr. Bawumia Kade Okaye when they were in power be. Machopoku Pemba Kabi. Nana Akufo Addo Kabi na Dr. Bawumia wa me pache wo se Ghana fon fa ye bone nche ye fa Ghana fon fa ne bone nche no se omo ye bibia correcta anko ba be ka se ye fa ne bone nche e di cheso kodwe de o kan ye no now as aduachi o manum no mo ka o manum sem de o kan na no abi no mo kan ne yo ba o kan no mu du atem.
What is important now ever NPP me say party no ye ne mpanyufo pa e wo party ni mu NPP mpanyufo sebi yedin komo obu okwanso the party now woni panyi a omo do party ni din komo a omo ne wo influence omo mi o mano a hwe let me tell you the enyoma kuka kono
memodi mpacho
wan hwe ya
mpacho memodi
okay but I'm telling you say
no
I'm just telling you say baby a NPP adru no
emehu
eni mpanyifo bi a omu be free mu no
da bi ba obi an free
me say mpanyifo bi a omu be free mu no
omu free di party nim
NPP mu no
obi an free party no be free ma ala nko
NPP one share 38 na ye di anu aka na ebebem
da bi kwaje da bi
me say repeat
ana janto a
me say the party na ye sisi ano one share ya NPP party na ye ka 38 no wan hwe ya ebebem me say party mpanyifo bi a ebe free mu no enti ma menka we nkyere wo bi entu omofo
and what you so be free party
me say mo mfa ntro nto na mo mane nko
okay
say me kan na ba anya nwanwa
mpanyifo bi be free party
mpanyifo bi wo NPP mu a o ma free ma wie akasa o mo be kan
we Kennedy asa
apart from Kennedy no mpanyifo bebre bi wo mu a so nkasa omo ni mi di nkomo a omo ya NPP panyifo financiers gurus omo se Bawumia say party no
konyo meji wudi asema kare modu
me say omo se Bawumia say party no
oh no
Bawumia say party so o se ontimi control party no enye say na party ne tie ena me ni panyi bi a wo NPP mu a na Akufo aban mu ni mu odu o se ankasa ntokwa basa we de nka NDC fo na eye. Oh, that was the comment. Was nana ka ye kan tokwa basa anka ye NDC fo na eye.
Panyina fo kan no.
O se mo ho na mo nkoto abaye o. E na mo ko na mo wie a mo ba be ka che say ye nto aba. A party that want to come back to power
and lead the country.
Mo ankasa mo ko ntokwa. Panyino da se mo ka che.
We so kwa we constituency election.
And I'm say o se we mponi o. And so efutu a me metunie.
Mitie.
Wa one supported Bawumia biano. Akachele Bawumia is my friend.
Yeah.
But the honest truth is said, the also Nana Akufo Addo time say, if you are Alan or any other apart from Nana Akufo Addo, the best sideline no. Sa pepe na abem. Hey, yes. Enti sa pepe say if you do not support Bawumia, they will find a way to eliminate you.
No. That cannot be
repeat it.
Party Amupe unity.
Say, Mami repeat. Right now, what is happening is that if you are anti-Bawumia, you will be forced out.
No, Kwajo. Party
repeat.
Manya 41%.
Say, Bawumia na one support to Bawumia. Enti I will advise anybody or ye Ken supporter not to attempt say or standing any constituency position.
Kwajo me doubt to Dabawe me doubt.
And I me say Kebim. We ye Kennedy Agyapong and I say any other supporter Alan now would asu NPP nim na we ye wa dwen say o kwa kwastande constituency ni sanyoma me ha wo ho jai
Kwajo me doubt to Dabawe dey asem okay dey e ma dwen
why ye wa dwen say wo kọ regional Ashanti region ha enyoma bibra ekọ all because if you were not or when omuhwe no mu say onye Bawumia they will force you out.
But could your party pay unity they pay to me?
Unity
why do you force people out?
Me say unity ni bebia. They say asise no soro wa ma. Me say right now no everybody bia omo pese omo ye executive no must be aligned to Dr. Bawumia.
No, but who are those people behind that?
I'm saying that they know themselves. Me more. But they know themselves. Hey, what I am saying is say NPP as a party, no. Me say, ye mu no, ye Akufo mu NPP.
Usi mo che.
Ye Akufo mu NPP. The man ye kon no NPP as a party e was Akufo. Nana Akufo Addo say party no. Ye kan wasem, when if ye?
Omo tata would do atem.
Me can say party no 2019 me say the Nana Akufo Addo ye NPP someone na nkasa whoever takes over from the party mo bebre mo di matem mo say me NDC ni mo say etua me ka
twantro kwato
e twantro se jo mahama mamsika be pem ne sa sabi nsem hunu no omo da so ka
de me yare se Kwajo yi wo ka se party na say sa time na omo di atem ne omo aso jitum ka no ka se party na say
me say omo defend wo social media so omo hia wa omo kwan 10 de wo ka
sa
me say Oma, eya me kasa no ma be di matem no ma say. So we no mu di nkomo behind the scenes. Omu di watem. Omu if omu timi di atem kra chen dia na me keka no. You see that is the element of hypocrisy. And no na me eya me ya. Enti na no me ka say, we a leader. Read 1 Kings 22. 400 prophets Makaya and then what? Kenahab. But Dr. Bawumia, right? Also Dr. Bawumia or you laissez-faire, or you humble and gentle. And some microphone, they do not want to offend. But when you leader, you must offend. John Agyapong offended. Nana Akufo Addo offended. John Mahama has offended. John Mahama can say, Nani and Brank, I said, don't get you the woman for Baby Sishamu. One penny, when in your man cost to end this. But look at how Ometimia managing. What do you say?
Ato Forson is
this moi. Ato
Forson is because
John Mahama study marketing who say the problem ba ko pa wonya ye ne say wode nkokrafo bi ne nkofo bi a omu ye adwuma ana omu ye bibia wontimi nka enti mo de mo nko hyehyɛ baabi na me ministers ne de mo de metumi ateawo metumi atea sabi Gyamfi metumi atea okudeto ablakwa metumi atea Sam George
Dr. Fanga Makonye
omu so ba ye adwuma no ɛna omu ye adwuma no
wow
but imagine so akwa fefa asedi nketia mo squad na de na akoka wo de anim ferry o be Cháos aha enti wo so won pen ho asem wo de mo nko hyehyɛ board chairman ne na but adwuma na nkasa de we mu na be hwɛ adwuma omu ye
wow that's smart
hwɛ adwuma omu ye young guys 40 30 35 50 kakra omu na ye sa adwuma no hwɛ adwuma emrante ne ye
Kwajo na over the weekend election ni Cháos see ye bantama na Kwajo he delegate no mukuta snap ni nkusu ya buru ya he na ko afija se East aguna mpotam wona ntokwa chese tuatu nyina banam se eh Kodua na name ekosi. We a party just 2 years away from now. Mo pese mo di unity. United Front ekopre to me against NDC. Chale election mo na 41.7% o. Na party Kodua de ekoi. Ene chese Kodua enough for mo.
What I am saying is say NPP party right now enya kono party no enya kono party we and we need 2028 and know your facts.
There ka say bed.
Me say enya se bed. Asem no me count say bed.
The NDC omuni flag bearer kra ka say bed. NDC doesn't have their
any
flag bearer.
flag bearer will beat to a Dr. Bawumia. Makasa asem we me can dey. Me say me pe Dr. Bawumia asem, but I am just telling you the honest truth. Me say whoever the worst of NDC will still be Dr. Bawumia in 2028.
And NPP election, the okay, the next thing we
and me say election way no, they should for me say mark it on the wall. Me say mark it on the wall.
Because those behind the machination is our name, and you could two-way and one supported Dr. Bawumia. Because you say, to be fair to Dr. Bawumia, he needs to be in charge until or more aligned to my vision. He doesn't need saboteurs.
That is not leadership. A leader, yeah. Me manage and young crofoni yet I am managing them.
Dr. Frank Amakwin also one supported John Mahama.
Debbie, Dr. Frank Amakwin, many said them. In fact, Dr. And I say Dr. Frank Amakwin, he was for Kwabena Agyapong.
Yeah,
me na some na me Kwabena Agyapong. Because Kwabena Agyapong ya me papa. What I say?
Yeah.
So between John Mahama, although say I know say John Mahama is stronger.
Exactly.
I was for Dr. Kwabena Agyapong.
Yeah.
What I say?
And Mahama by one sideline Dr. Frank Amakwin.
But look at the work. One day and munyama bre
Dr. Frank.
And then Dr. Frank Amakwin has said Asante Bediatuo ni.
Yeah.
The person now one supporting Dr. President John Mahama who said Debbie, it's about the work. You can decide not to. Share Kojo Bonsu. Kojo Bonsu more like the senior. Oh, I say me papa.
Or contesté.
Yeah. But what is happening? Odinoko China.
Ambassador.
Professor Joshua Labi, or contestino, or money chairman. Look at how we manage the general secretary of NDC, and look at how he manages and makes sure so we didn't
quality to order.
And then JFK Kasa, JFK Timia Kasama, regional chairman, Miakasa Minipa, which myself will say that is what I'm saying. Say, JFK Mumuno, on your beer, Biminin and Co, wasn't called money and I just say Kubin. Oh.
Sir.
No, the current executive of NPP. So we maintain you ma. A chance say so we person got 34%.
Oh, what you want?
I supported JFK. I will not support in principle. I will not support JFK this time around.
Oh,
Nana B. Me and I mean share about Focus FM at that time.
Yeah, me
didn't come me support no first, second. Nana B Busan said the last time when me didn't come here. I had a name in it. Near to go to a conference room.
Always around me.
Me see 10 times I know about Beshas, because Nana B is my brother. He's my brother. He knows me. But I'm saying that all of them became arrogant at a point. They became arrogant at a point. And a party no had the
so the current executives no
the only person me person be maintaining Dr. Jamna. Treasurer no.
Okay.
But it's also bad general secretary. Onya bad because he's very disciplined.
The Richard Richard
Richard no
communications director. Not just say general secretary. Oh, general secretary.
No, I'm saying that look, JFK is my brother, but I will not support his bid.
What for party?
No, I'm saying that you see. Party is bigger than anybody.
Of course.
Me say party no per se ya kono a. E wo so katu ni na wo yi executive be free ho. So that ebe ya kono. You don't need certain people. I have said so right now no. Come on, take over communication. Should have been the Nana Komies, should have been a Duchum, Patrick Kojo Punk. Those no Kojo Punk bekasa. Look at the impact.
Powerful.
Whether or your propaganda or whatever. But Kojo Kasa. Once anytime Kojo
and respect wom.
Respect wom. Kojo Ponkruma when Munyam. Kojo Ponkruma. Opa Kadiobeka. He did well because it wasn't easy defending Akufo Addo's government. Masa yenye PR. Defending Akufo Addo. It's like drinking poison. I'm telling you.
Masa,
Masa, unu kwini. and I say edutum betes. You know, that was how into Kojo Kyeremanteng. It wasn't easy. And nothing they drew baby was saying me pay me once him. Why would I not become once him? And to another didn't meet one government the or say me my own condition who na me ma be different. And to me come here, ladies and gentlemen, Minister for Roads and Transport, Busan question. Because Kojo Kyeremanteng is a potential president in Ghana. What I say? I was signing when no aban and keba be say no. But when Kojo Kyeremanteng, he has that humility,
respect,
our control. And to some when yan dear kakrano, I'm planning one sem. Hey, and I'm saying say NPP as we speak, and your party right now, kono, and your party a bit me winnie. Dr. Bawumia is still not showing leadership, but there be a makase no krena ya, but a what's here can and I'm saying ne care ding and easy. No, me because that be but you be on the betimi academic. You have to understand, say, and you be on the betimi academic.
Of course.
But what I'm just trying to let you know, they say, MPP right now, they also me Bawumia must show say, men na me leader.
I'm in charge.
Bawumia must say, we have leadership, respect it.
But could you anyana na Bawumia ya? O say,
Bawumia is allowing certain people to dictate how he has to lead the party.
Okay.
It is different from who now will take it charge.
Okay.
And I'm catching saying the leadership is fair. No, it doesn't work like that.
But could you, it's honestly worrying. Say chief executive officer of a party, a customer could you party man for
I'm saying JFK no.
Me be whom John Bodu. Me be whom Kwabena Agyapong. Kojo. O dey kwen this year. Even now the general mosquito general secretary. Fifi Kwete general secretary sisi Kojo. Omo kasam to an home. Now 2 test case I abronya the number 1. To the extent say or describe the committee as kangaroo committee. And then when some chairman want to make a kafa JFK. We are talking about. You see, JFK the only executive in the party. He the CEO of the party.
Yemuno onye obi asese ni mu nyedu. JFK omusha asese omumuno no. Omunim so ya akra. JFK problem nyina no. But that is the point.
No, because it's worrying.
Enti JFK empene ho asema. No watwe wo ho. JFK so your potential asokwa MP. Enti womra mepe MP.
No mama na ni two forms are.
On to mama party through. Mama part abre. Mama party do maybe because on kobiem. Awurade. What they are saying, Mama parts, enwie. Nanko aba be ho.
Because we na ni twetwe from me.
Obeye MP are fantastic. Now building for potential. That's it.
Exactly. You never know. Vice presidential.
I would advise him to brasokwa be contest as a member of parliament. Mama part abre wa yebi. Non-tenefsi na man part mu yemfo as MPP council of the yemfo mu nso. But JFK right now should not be the general secretary.
Kojo 91 we okete chefifa if you just say is issue on resolve on so
no you see Minya no a fighter and anybody who is a fighter I don't stop him. Obia one attitude.
Banana council board abijina no super.
I'm saying that the obey no nye, but I'm saying that knowing Minya no a fighter.
Okay, on give up.
And yeah fighters no yen stop here. On one corner anye ya obeti no ho ase fighters no when we fight ne say we there you lose honorably yejitum ne prepare but when you want to intimidate us we will keep on fighting and I know Okatechie he was fighting at least oye waye bibia me hu say enyo ma bi nya fair enti na woye ye no maybe ananka maybe sin cancer the papa was can to be support am na wini fair enough but the Okatechie aye no kire wo say party na ye kan ho asem no emu nyo sa
yes
obia wo ni problem so what I will say is say mimi MPP for crowd dem ntu omufu
so as o akasa na say kwara mo tata say ja obi asem ka ja MPP for asem
na mimi for mu ho be
akwa bi be Facebook say portfolio no nkasa na wa tolerate wa che
ne
akwa edon
me na bi mi hu you say nkofo bi wo ho a na babu san say
ana hye wo mutrimu ana
no atira no
say wa tolerate janto but who are you
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.